Hello everyone, in this video we will see an exercise on Alteryx. The objective of this particular exercise is how to use the smart tile function of tile tool in case of Alteryx. So this exercise is based on our previous exercise. We will make use of our previous exercise. I'll go over here, I'll select this, I'll press Ctrl C, go into this new workflow 3, and I'll just press Ctrl V. So the input data tool as well as the tile tools which are being connected is available in this particular workflow. So the file which we have inputted in the input data tool or we have loaded is nothing but this particular file, that is sales 2017 copy. So we have to input the data first from the in out tab, then we have to connect it with the file. We have connected it with the file. So when I click on the output anchor, it will be available over here in the result bar. Then what we have done, we have connected this particular input data tool with the tile tool. So we have connected this. And over here in the tile tool, there are 10,000 records in this particular file. From this file, we have selected a sheet named as 10,000 records. So basic thing is that this tile tool is going to group this 10,000 records into equal records. In previous case we have used equal records, so 5 equal records were there, so 2000 records will be available in each type. So I'll just click on the run button. Over here we can see that when I have clicked on the output anchor of this particular input data tool in which we have 10,000 records sheet, so 10,000 records are displayed. So when I click on the output anchor of this particular tile tool, so this will be basically grouped. And in configuration pane we have to select the smart tile function, and we can analyze this particular data on the basis of sales also, so it will group it. So in the configuration pane you can observe this. So over here in the configuration window we can see, or in the configuration pane we can see this particular smart tile function. Previously it was equal records, now we can change it to smart tile. So select this smart tile, and how you can do the how you can use this particular smart tile function on the basis of row ID or on the basis of sales. So it is going to select the numerical data according to which it is going to group it. So sales done can be represented which are the higher sales, lower sales, extremely high sales, average sales. Likewise it can be represented, and we have to select this particular option named as output verbose name column, so that it will be available in the result work. Select this particular option output verbose name column and then click on run button. So over here we can see that there is one column named as sales done which we have selected, that numeric column. So smart tile function will only use the numeric column, that is sales done or row ID. So we have selected sales done and we have displayed it in the form of output verbose name column. So over here you can see the tile number, that is nothing but the grouping of the tile, then tile sequence. So each and every tile will be having, or tile group will be having its sequence. So this is the sequence in the tile number 3. So the sales which are extremely high is shown over here, that smart tile underscore name. Extremely high sales, that is about 2550. So this is the sales which is being done So this is around 3474.08. So likewise, they have selected the partial record because the data is going to exceed a capacity of 1 MB. That's why this has been taken. So when I'll scroll down, you can see that so the records will be high, as previously it was extremely high, then high, above average. So likewise these records are there. It will go up to 8490. So accordingly we can do this, or we can use this smart tile function, and it can be only applicable to the numeric data. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.